guys, welcome back to Little Piece of Heaven Farm. I'm out here today, nice sunny warm day up in the mid 60s, upper 60s. It's kind of weird. First week of February and be this warm. It should be rainy and cold, but anyhow, I'm out here working on my RV spot where I'm going to park it. It's right there across here. I'm going to park it. Got this all cleared out and I'm going to put rock all in here. Rock all this, probably put 1.5 inches open on the bottom and then cap it with 3/4, and I'll park my truck up against that building. The RV would be over here, slide it into there, and I still got a little more fill to do there, about 1 foot, before I throw a rock on it. Or I could just fill it up all with rock, but I got plenty of dirt out here and that's cheaper than buying rock. And over here I put in some new valves and then laid a new pipe across there. Had them all hooked up there, and this feeds the house. And here's has a spigot down there at the other end of the house. Now all I gotta do is put a box or something over this, so that way I could access those valves when need be. You see it's getting quite high here. Still got another foot. So either I put some kind of retaining wall across here, or just go ahead and fill it with dirt and just feather it out. But anyhow, let's get some more dirt here and get this up another foot. Hey guys, it's been a few days. We've been getting a lot of rain, making everything all nice and muddy out here. Makes it a little hard to work out here when you drive around top of dirt and all that slip and slide. And I got the base rock in here. And one of my trips of getting rock, when I backed up in here, I accidentally hit the spigot that I had here and broke this pipe. I got it capped off now. But today I'm gonna go ahead and take a trench and up that direction towards that cone there, that tubular marker, and I'll put the spigot up there so it'll be away from this driveway's edge. That should prevent anyone else breaking that off. Anyway, that's what I'm gonna do here today. Get that moved. Here, I'll show you where the RV pad is and what I've done to it so far before the rains showed up. All right, there's the RV pad there. That's just one layer of the base rock. I still got probably another 6 inches to go of base rock. Got to get all this covered with base rock. And I started right there, and the rain started coming. Got all this part here that's exposed. Now it's all muddy. It's kind of like a slip and slide now. I don't want to drive my tractor through here and mudding it all up and making it worse. So I'm going to have to wait for a few days of dry weather to dry that up before I can be able to drive on that, and then we'll finish rocking that. So probably about 4 to 6 inches more, of 1.5 inches minus, and then probably 6 inches of 3/4 minus on top of that to cap all that off. is, the spigot's moved, so I shouldn't be hitting that. If I hit that, that means I'm hitting that tree. So anyhow, I'll probably just end this video right here because I got a bunch of rain coming, and then it's supposed to turn into mix and then be snow. They're calling for anywhere from 4 to 6 inches of snow this week. So probably have to put the rest of this project on hold until all that passes. And then I'm going to need a couple days of dry weather to dry everything out, so my tractor doesn't mudden things up. So anyhow, that'll do it for this video, and thanks for stopping by and checking out, seeing how my progress of this RV park here to park my RV at in the back of my house. Anyhow, catch you on the next one. Bye.